Hey guys, so this today I got one package, which was my Scary Sharp sharpening system. The second package was my new Stanley Sweetheart Chisels. Let's take a look. These came from Imperial Industrial Supply in Ontario, California. So, I am not a chisel expert. In fact, I don't claim to be an expert at anything. Hornbeam wood handle for durability. Long blade ideal for woodworkers. So, first impressions of the leather case, very nice. The reason I got the 8-piece set instead of the 4-piece, number one, it was like $40 more. Number two, it had this little 1/8 inch, the 1/8 inch chisel in it, and I wanted that. Then here's the 1/4 inch. Then we have a 3/8. From 3/8 half, 5/8. I'm sure this is a 3/4. Here's the 1 inch. And I believe this is 1 1/4. And I looked at oh yeah, that's really nice. I have two cameras here because it's kind of dark in here, and ooh, that's a nice edge. Boy, that's a nice. You can see the tool marks. Oh man, this is just outstanding. Then there's your sockets. Outstanding. So, it on there nice. Here's a note. Thank you for your purchase of Stanley 750 series Sweetheart socket chisels. We've redesigned our 750 series range to meet the exact specifications required by end users. Our handles and blades are both lacquered to protect from changes in temperature and moisture. So everyone's saying they are taking the lacquer off. And then I I saw another YouTube video that said do not take the lacquer off. It protects it. You know, it'll wear off, but I'm wondering if these are all flat. But plenty of time to figure that out. I may put a strip of blue tape up here. With all the sizes on it. Boy, this leather is supreme. And I wanted a set of chisels that were going to be like lifetime chisels. I bought a cheap set off Amazon, and they get sharp and they're immediately dull. So hopefully these will serve me well. I think the 4-piece set was $89, so $90. This was $134. So for an extra $44, you get those extra chisels, and I just thought that was a no-brainer. So anyway, so there's my sweetheart chisels. I'm just impressed. Look at this. It's just beautiful, beautiful. On all my other chisels, I throw these away immediately. I don't know. We'll see. These are just well made. Very nice. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Stanley 750 Sweetheart Chisels. We'll see you further on down the trail.